Hey, so this has been an unboxing of the Xbox Series X. If you guys looked these up recently, they are going for, this is around me, 800 to over 1,000, over 1,000. Saw a couple of them on eBay for 5,500 bucks, $6,000. Nuts. My brother bought this one, not me, and he paid only only $750 for it. Of course, they were supposed to be 500, but let's see, this is a crazy box. But of course, everyone bought them out in the first hour or whatever, and they were asking way more than what they're actually supposed to be. So $750 right now isn't bad. So here it is. Let's see. Hopefully there's a controller in here. Let's see. Then there's also the support little thing here, and then there's nothing else in here. That is a cool box, though. If you guys can see that, that is a very cool looking box. Got a little bit of tape on the side here. There's no controller with these. Alright, well here the Xbox is. There is no controller with them. That is crazy. Okay. Yeah, so here it is. Nice big tower. I believe the PS5s are actually bigger. So it looks like you're supposed to put down like this. Or the other way, like we just had it here. So you have this is the one, of course, with the CD drive. The actual drive there. See if I can bring this closer to you. Hopefully you guys can sort of see in there. Not really, but it's in here is green. And you have the button there. There's the drive. This thing is pretty dang heavy. USB. I mean, it's a lot of power to it. And that's the other bottom. Otherwise, the bottom has little feet there. Try to show you guys this without showing off the serial number. So you have your HDMI out, you have your power, Ethernet, couple of USBs, and then a storage expansion there. Then there's a slot there on what that is, maybe just for the heat to come out, I'm gonna guess. That's also inside of that is green. Holy cow, this thing is actually pretty heavy for being a cube. Inside here it says Xbox. And then the other side, again, is just the other way you can play it. So yeah, apparently there is no controller with these. That is crazy. My brother's gonna be like, what the hell? But that's how it is. So yeah, that's the Xbox Series X. Normally 500 bucks. Right now, you're lucky to get it for around 750, like what we paid for it. My brother paid for it. Yeah. Alright guys, thank you all very much for watching. I really do appreciate it, as always. I'll see you guys next time. I feel like a big idiot here. There is an actual box. It just really blends in with the other box. I thought it was just part of the other box. So I looked at the actual box and it says, those come with a controller. Which I was thinking, how can they not include a controller with a new device? So, you're also miss all the cables. I feel like a complete moron right now. But, you know. Okay. So we have HDMI cable, power cable, And then the controller. I was gonna say, that's crazy. They make you go out and buy a controller. And you also get your batteries with it as well. That's what the controller looks like. Back of it looks like that, just like the old controller. It basically looks the same with a few extra buttons on it. Now we are done with the unboxing. Again, thank you guys for watching. See you guys next time. Again, I feel like an idiot. Goodbye.